Alright, so we got our head back. Machine shop went ahead and decked it, made sure everything's good and flat. He put new exhaust seats in all of them, and then did a valve job for all the intake valves. Obviously, cylinder 4 got a new valve, and then they matched it up to it. Um, so we're going to go ahead and start the install here, and I'll video parts of that for you guys. Alright, got it torqued back down. Did 56 foot-pounds in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after we did 56 foot-pounds, backed him a lot of turn. I did 35 foot-pounds, and then 90 degrees, 90 degrees. And then start working on the rest of the install. Alright, so I was talking before about the hidden AC compressor mount bolt, and this is your AC compressor right here, and here's the brackets, and then here's your tensioner pulley. You can see where the socket is right here. It's kind of half behind the tensioner pulley here, and I'm using a deep well, so you can see it's pretty hidden back in there. Easiest way I found was a deep well from underneath. But yeah, it's definitely a pain in the butt. Probably the most difficult part of the job, honestly. Okay, so we got a AC compressor there, AC compressor 1 here, 1 right below it. Got the belt back on, got this pulley back on. Like I said before, the head's torqued down. I put all the exhaust manifold bolts back in. There's another bolt for the AC compressor. Right. Let's see, focus right there. The one my fingers barely gliding along, right there. Yep. Other than that, I think I'm ready. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the intake back in. A couple wires. Secure the intake. Put coolant hoses back on and clean up the injectors before I put them back in. The fuel rail right here, and keep on chugging.